What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? My battery's weak, my starter's weak, it won't turn over. Let me show you what it's doing. Okay, battery's weak. Let me get this jump back on here. That thing started a diesel engine. Let's try again. Nope, not the battery, not the starter. Let me adjust these valves and I'll get back with you. Hey, welcome back, Bush. Well, I adjusted it. They were set roughly about 10,000, so we're going down to that point. Let's see what happens now. See if she turns over. Alright, so battery is weak now. Jump back on. Here we go. Ready? Yeah! There you go. Don't let the valve latch, people. Like and sub.